وما من دابة في الأرض إلا على الله رزقها ويعلم مستقرها ومستودعها كل في كتاب مبين.
And there is no one that walks upon the earth whose sustenance is not upon the responsibility of Allah's generosity. He knows as to where it shall stay and as to where its depository, i.e., the grave shall be. Everything is in a manifest explanatory book.
وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام وكان عرشه على الماء ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا ولئن قلت إنكم مبعوثون من بعد الموت ليقولن الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
And it is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and His throne was upon the water, that He may test you, as to whose deeds amongst you are the best. And if you, O beloved, say that indeed you will be raised after death, the disbelievers will definitely say, this is nothing but clear magic.
وَلَئِنْ أَخَّرْنَا عَنْهُمُ الْعَذَابَ إِلَىٰ أُمَّةٍ مَّعْدُودَةٍ لَيَقُولُنَّ مَا يَحْبِسُهُ أَلَا يَوْمَ يَأْتِيهِمْ لَيْسَ مَصْرُوفًا عَنْهُمْ وَحَاقَ بِهِم مَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
And if you postpone the punishment upon them for a specified time, they will therefore definitely say, what has held it back? Listen, on the day when it comes upon them, it will not be averted from them, and the same punishment they used to mock will surround them.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنَّا رَحْمَةً ثُمَّ نَزَعْنَاهَا مِنْهُ إِنَّهُ لَيَئُوسٌ كَفُورٌ.
And if we let man taste any mercy of ours and later withdraw it from him, he is definitely most despairing, ungrateful.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَاهُ نَعْمَاءَ بَعْدَ ضَرَّاءَ مَسَّتْهُ لَيَقُولَنَّ ذَهَبَ السَّيِّئَاتُ عَنِّي إِنَّهُ لَفَرِحٌ فَخُورٌ.
And if you let him taste the favor after a misfortune that had befallen him, he would surely say that the evils have gone away from me. Indeed, at that time he is delighted, boastful.
إِلَّا الَّذِينَ صَبَرُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أُولَئِكَ لَهُم مَّغْفِرَةٌ وَأَجْرٌ كَبِيرٌ.
Except those who remain patient and did good deeds, for them is forgiveness and a great reward.
فَلَعَلَّكَ تَارِكٌ بَعْضَ مَا يُوحَىٰ إِلَيْكَ وَضَائِقٌ بِهِ صَدْرُكَ أَن يَقُولُوا لَوْلَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْهِ كَنزٌ أَوْ جَاءَ مَعَهُ مَلَكٌ إِنَّمَا أَنتَ نَذِيرٌ وَاللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَكِيلٌ.
So, will you leave a part of what is revealed to you and be dismayed on the basis that they say, why has the treasure not been sent down along with him, or should an angel have come with him? You are purely a warner, and Allah is the guardian over everything.
أَمْ يَقُولُونَ افْتَرَاهُ قُلْ فَأْتُوا بِعَشْرِ سُوَرٍ مِثْلِهِ مُفْتَرَيَاتٍ وَادْعُوا مَنِ اسْتَطَعْتُم مِّن وادعوا من استطعتم من دون الله إن كنتم صادقين.
Do they say this, that he has fabricated it, i.e., Quran? Say you, O beloved, that if this is your claim, bring 10 fabricated chapters like these and call upon everyone you can. Get hold of other than Allah if you are truthful.
فإن لم يستجيبوا لكم فاعلموا أنما أنزل بعلم الله وأن لا إله إلا هو فهل أنتم مسلمون.
So, O Muslims, if they are unable to respond to this challenge of yours, understand therefore that it has come down only with the knowledge of Allah, and this, that no one is truly worthy of worship except Him. So, will you now accept Islam?
ما كان يريد الحياة الدنيا وزينتها نوف إليهم أعمالهم فيها وهم فيها لا يبخسون.
Whoever desires the life of this world and its adornment, we will give them the full reward therein and will not cause any reduction in it.
أولئك الذين ليس لهم في الآخرة إلا النار وحبط ما صنعوا فيها وباطل ما كانوا يعملون.
These are the ones from whom there is nothing in the hereafter except fire, and whatever they used to do, there was wasted, and all their deeds became nullified.
أفمن كان على بينة من ربه ويتلوه شاهد منه ومن قبله كتاب موسى إماما ورحمة أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به من الأحزاب فالنار موعده فلا تك في مرية منه إنه الحق من ربك ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
So, is a disbeliever equal to the one who is upon clear proof, i.e., Islam from his Lord? And it, i.e., the Quran, comes as a witness upon it from Allah, and before it, i.e., Quran, the book of Musa is also a witness, a guide and mercy. Only those people who are upon the clear proof believe in it, i.e., the Quran. And whoever denies it from all the groups of disbelievers, the promise therefore for him is the fire. So, O listener, you should not have doubt at all concerning it, i.e., the Quran. Indeed, it is the truth from your Lord, but most people believe not.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أولئك يعرضون على ربهم ويقول الأشهاد هؤلاء الذين كذبوا على ربهم ألا لعنة الله على الظالمين.
And who is more unjust than the one who fabricates lie against Allah? They will be presented in the majestic court of their Lord, and the witnesses will say, it is these who lied concerning their Lord. Behold, the curse of Allah be upon the unjust.
الذين يصدون عن سبيل الله ويبغونها عوجا وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
They are those who prevent people from the way of Allah and desire deviation in this, and it is them who disbelieve in the hereafter.
أولئك لم يكونوا معجزين في الأرض وما كان لهم من دون الله من أولياء يضاعف لهم العذاب ما كانوا يستطيعون السمع وما كانوا يبصرون.
They are not causing tiredness to Allah in the earth, nor do they have any helper apart from Allah. They will face punishment upon punishment. They could neither hear nor see the truth.
أولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
It is they who put their souls into loss, and they lost all that which they used to fabricate.
لا جرم أنهم في الآخرة هم الأخسرون.
They are inevitably the greatest losers in the hereafter.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وأخبتوا إلى ربهم أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
Indeed, those who believed and performed good deeds and turned themselves towards their Lord, they are the people of paradise. They will abide therein forever.
مثل الفريقين كالأعمى والأصم والبصير والسميع هل يستويان مثلا أفلا تذكرون.
The condition of the two groups is like one being blind and deaf and the other seeing and hearing. Are they in the same state? So, do you not then take heed?
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا إلى قومه إني لكم نذير مبين.
And we indeed sent Nuh to his nation. He said to them that, I am for you a clear warner.
ألا تعبدوا إلا الله إني أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم أليم.
That you must not worship anyone except Allah. Indeed, I fear the punishment of the dreadful day upon you.
فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما نراك إلا بشرا مثلنا وما نراك اتبعك إلا الذين هم أراذلنا بادي الرأي وما نرى لكم علينا من فضل بل نظنكم كاذبين.
So the disbelieving chiefs of his nation said, We see you just as a man like us, and we do not see anyone following you except the lowest amongst us by looking briefly, and we do not find in you any superiority over us. Rather, we consider you a liar.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي وآتاني رحمة من عنده فعميت عليكم أنلزمكموها وأنتم لها كارهون.
He said, O my people, tell me, if my claim is henceforth based upon a clear proof from my Lord, and He has bestowed mercy upon me from Himself, so you remained blind towards it, shall we impose it, i.e., accepting prophethood upon you, although you dislike it?
ويا قوم لا أسألكم عليه مالا إن أجري إلا على الله وما أنا بطارد الذين آمنوا إنهم ملاقو ربهم ولكني أراكم قوما تجهلون.
And O people, I do not ask any wealth from you for it, i.e., the propagation. My reward is only upon Allah, and I am not to drive away the Muslims. Indeed, they are going to meet their Lord, but I find you to be totally ignorant people.
ويا قوم من ينصرني من الله إن طردتهم أفلا تذكرون.
And O people, who would rescue me from Allah if I repel them, i.e., the Muslims? So, do you then not take heed?
ولا أقول لكم عندي خزائن الله ولا أعلم الغيب ولا أقول إني ملك ولا أقول للذين تزدري أعينكم لن يؤتيهم الله خيرا الله أعلم بما في أنفسهم إني إذا لمن الظالمين.
And I do not say, i.e., claim to you that I have the treasures of Allah with me, nor this, that I come to know the knowledge of the unseen on my own accord, nor do I say that I am an angel, nor do I say to those whom you despise that Allah will never give them any good. Allah knows well what is in their hearts. If I do so, I would henceforth definitely be amongst the unjust.
قالوا يا نوح قد جادلتنا فأكثرت جدالنا فأتنا بما تعدنا إن كنت من الصادقين.
They said, O Nuh, you have disputed with us and disputed extremely. Therefore bring that punishment which you keep promising us if you are truthful.
قال إنما يأتيكم به الله إن شاء وما أنتم بمعجزين.
He said, Allah will bring it upon you if He wills, and you cannot make Allah tired.
ولا ينفعكم نصحي إن أردت أن أنصح لكم إن كان الله يريد أن يغويكم هو ربكم وإليه ترجعون.
And my advice will not benefit you if I desire good for you, whereas Allah wills you to go astray. He is your Lord, and only to Him you will return.
أم يقولون افتراه قل إن افتريته فعلي إجرامي وأنا بريء مما تجرمون.
O beloved, do they say that He has fabricated it, i.e., the Quran? Say you, if I have fabricated it, so my sin is upon me, and I am detached from your sin.
وأوحي إلى نوح أنه لن يؤمن من قومك إلا من قد آمن فلا تبتئس بما كانوا يفعلون.
And it was revealed to Nuh that none of your people will now become Muslims, except those who have already accepted faith. Therefore, do not grieve over what they do.
واصنع الفلك بأعيننا ووحينا ولا تخاطبني في الذين ظلموا إنهم مغرقون.
Allah said to Nuh, and build the ark under our observation and by our command, and do not request to me regarding the forgiveness of the unjust. They will definitely be drowned.
ويصنع الفلك وكلما مر عليه ملأ من قومه سخروا منه قال إن تسخروا منا فإنا نسخر منكم كما تسخرون.
And Nuh builds the ark, and whenever the chiefs of his people would pass by, they would laugh at him. He, Nuh, said, if you laugh at us, so we will laugh at you at a time just as you laugh now.
فسوف تعلمون من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ويحل عليه عذاب مقيم.
So you will now come to know upon whom comes that punishment which will disgrace him, i.e., a disbeliever, and that punishment comes down which is to last forever.
حتى إذا جاء أمرنا وفارت النور قل نحمل فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول ومن آمن وما آمن معه إلا قليل.
To the extent that when our command came and the clay oven gushed forth water, we said, board the ark as a pair, male and female, from every species, and your family members and all other Muslims, except those upon whom the word of punishment has gone forth. And there were only a few Muslims with him.
وقال اركبوا فيها بسم الله مجريها ومرساها إن ربي لغفور رحيم.
And he, Nuh, said, board it, Allah's name, with it is its sailing and its anchoring. Indeed, my Lord is surely most forgiving, most merciful.
وهي تجري بهم في موج كالجبال ونادى نوح ابنه وكان في معزل يا بني اركب معنا ولا تكن مع الكافرين.
And it, i.e., the ark, is carrying them in the middle of such waves like mountains. And Nuh called out to his son, and he was standing aside from it, outside the ark, O my son, embark along with us, and do not be with the disbelievers.
قال سآوي إلى جبل يعصمني من الماء قال لا عاصم اليوم من أمر الله إلا من رحم وحال بينهما الموج فكان من المغرقين.
He, the son, said, I seek refuge now towards a mountain. It will save me from the water. Nuh said, today there is no one who can save you from the punishment of Allah except upon whom He bestows mercy. And the wave came in between them. He therefore remained amongst the drowning ones.
وقيل يا أرض ابلعي ماءك ويا سماء أقلعي وغيض الماء وقضي الأمر واستوت على الجودي وقيل بعدا للقوم الظالمين.
And it was commanded, O earth, swallow your water, and O sky, withhold. And the water was made to dry up, and the matter was concluded, and the ark stopped upon Mount Al-Judi, and it was said, away with the unjust people.
ونادى نوح ربه فقال رب إن ابني من أهلي وإن وعدك الحق وأنت أحكم الحاكمين.
And Nuh invoked his Lord. He requested, O my Lord, indeed, my son is also from my family, and your promise is definitely true, and you are the greatest of all in commanding.
قال يا نوح إنه ليس من أهلك إنه عمل غير صالح فلا تسأل لما ليس لك به علم إني أعظك أن تكون من الجاهلين.
He, Allah, said, O Nuh, he is not from your family. His deeds are most despicable. Do not ask me for that of which you have no knowledge in this regard. I advise you not to become oblivious.
قال رب إني أعوذ بك أن أسألك ما ليس لي به علم وإلا تغفر لي وترحمني أكن من الخاسرين.
He submitted, O my Lord, I seek your refuge that I ask you that thing regarding which I have no knowledge. And if you do not forgive me and do not have mercy upon me, I would therefore be a loser.
قيل يا نوح اهبط بسلام منا وبركات عليك وعلى أمم ممن معك وأمم سنمتعهم ثم يمسهم منا عذاب أليم.
It was said, O Nuh, disembark from the ark with peace and blessings from us, which are upon you and upon some groups that are with you. And some groups are those whom we shall allow to benefit in this world, and then a painful punishment will reach them from us.
تلك من أنباء الغيب نوحيها إليك ما كنت تعلمها أنت ولا قومك من قبل هذا فاصبر إن العاقبة للمتقين.
These are the news of the unseen, which we revealed to you, O beloved, which you did not know previously, nor did your people. So, be patient. Indeed, for the pious is a good ending.
وإلى عاد أخاهم هودا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره إن أنتم إلا مفترون.
And towards the people of Ad, their compatriot Hud was sent. He said, O my people, worship Allah. There is no one worthy of worship except Him. You are merely fabricators.
يا قوم لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن أجري إلا على الذي فطرني أفلا تعقلون.
O my people, I do not ask you for any payment for it, i.e., propagation. My repayment is only upon Him who has created me. So, do you not have intellect?
ويا قوم استغفروا ربكم ثم توبوا إليه يرسل السماء عليكم مدرارا ويزدكم قوة إلى قوتكم ولا تتولوا مجرمين.
And O my people, seek forgiveness from your Lord, then turn towards Him in repentance. He will send rain in abundance upon you, and will add strength to your present strength, and do not turn away whilst committing crimes.
قالوا يا هود ما جئتنا ببينة وما نحن بتاركي آلهتنا عن قولك وما نحن لك بمؤمنين.
They said, O Hud, you have not come to us with any proof, and we are not to forsake our deities just upon your saying, nor are we to believe in your words.
إن نقول إلا اعتراك بعض آلهتنا بسوء قال إني أشهد الله واشهدوا أني بريء مما تشركون.
We only say this, that one of our deities has thrown an evil grip upon you. He said, I make Allah witness, and you all be witness that I am disgusted from all those whom you ascribe as partners with Allah.
من دونه فكيدوني جميعا ثم لا تنظرون.
except Him. I am not afraid even if you all seek to trick me and do not give me respite.
إني توكلت على الله ربي وربكم ما من دابة إلا هو آخذ بناصيتها إن ربي على صراط مستقيم.
I rely upon Allah who is my Lord and your Lord. There is no one that walks whose forelock is not in His grip of power. Indeed, my Lord is found on the straight path.
فإن تولوا فقد أبلغتكم ما أرسلت به إليكم ويستخلف ربي قوما غيركم ولا تضرونه شيئا إن ربي على كل شيء حفيظ.
If you then turn away, I have therefore conveyed to you that which I have been sent with towards you, and my Lord will bring others in your place, and you will not be able to cause him any harm. Indeed, my Lord is the guardian over all things.
ولما جاء أمرنا نجينا هودا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا ونجيناهم من عذاب غليظ.
And when our command of punishment came, we rescued Hud and the Muslims who were with him with our mercy, and we saved them from a severe punishment.
وتلك عاد جحدوا بآيات ربهم وعصوا رسله واتبعوا أمر كل جبار عنيد.
And these are Ad. They denied the verses of their Lord and disobeyed His messengers and followed the commands of every excessive, stubborn transgressor.
وأتبعوا في هذه الدنيا لعنة ويوم القيامة ألا إن عادا كفروا ربهم ألا بعدا لعاد قوم هود.
And a curse followed them in this world and on the day of resurrection. Pay heed. Indeed, the nation of Ad disbelieved in their Lord. Away with Ad, the nation of Hud.
وإلى ثمود أخاهم صالحا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره هو أنشأكم من الأرض واستعمركم فيها فاستغفروه ثم توبوا إليه إن ربي قريب مجيب.
And we sent to the tribe of Thamud their compatriot Salih. He said, O my people, worship Allah. There is no one worthy of worship except Him. He created you from the earth and caused you to live in it. So seek forgiveness from Him and turn towards Him in repentance. Indeed, my Lord is close, the acceptor of supplication.
قالوا يا صالح قد كنت فينا مرجوا قبل هذا أتنهانا أن نعبد ما يعبد آباؤنا وإننا لفي شك مما تدعونا إليه مريب.
They said, O Salih, you seemed very bright amongst us before this. Do you forbid us from worshipping the deities of our forefathers? And we indeed have a deceit invoking doubt regarding that which you're calling us towards.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي وآتاني منه رحمة فمن ينصرني من الله إن عصيته فما تزيدونني غير تخسير.
He said, O my people, tell me, if I am upon a clear proof from my Lord, and He has bestowed upon me mercy from Him, who will therefore rescue me from Him if I disobey Him? So, besides loss, you will cause no gain for me.
ويا قوم هذه ناقة الله لكم آية فذروها تأكل في أرض الله ولا تمسوها بسوء فيأخذكم عذاب قريب.
And O my people, this is the she-camel of Allah, a sign for you. Leave her therefore alone, that she may graze in Allah's land. And do not touch her with evil intent, lest an imminent punishment will reach you.
فعقروها فقال تمتعوا في داركم 3 أيام ذلك وعد غير مكذوب.
So they cut her veins above the heels. Salih therefore said, take benefit for a further 3 days in your homes. This is a promise that will not be false.
فلما جاء أمرنا نجينا صالحا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا ومن خزي يومئذ إن ربك هو القوي العزيز.
Then when our command of punishment came, we saved Salih and Muslims by showing our mercy and from the disgrace of that day. Indeed, your Lord is the mighty, the honorable.
وأخذ الذين ظلموا الصيحة فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين.
And the terrible scream seized the transgressors. So at morning they remained lying dead, falling on their knees in their homes.
كأن لم يغنوا فيها ألا إن ثمود كفروا ربهم ألا بعدا لثمود.
As though they had never lived here. Listen, indeed, the tribe of Thamud disbelieved in their Lord. Beware, curse be upon the tribe of Thamud.
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَتْ رُسُلُنَا إِبْرَاهِيمَ بِالْبُشْرَى قَالُوا سَلَامًا قَالَ سَلَامٌ فَمَا لَبِثَ أَنْ جَاءَ بِعِجْلٍ حَنِيذٍ.
And our angels indeed came to Ibrahim with glad tidings. They said, Salam. He responded, Salam, and without any delay brought a roasted calf.
فَلَمَّا رَأَى أَيْدِيَهُمْ لَا تَصِلُ إِلَيْهِ نَكِرَهُمْ وَأَوْجَسَ مِنْهُمْ خِيفَةً قَالُوا لَا تَخَفْ إِنَّا أُرْسِلْنَا إِلَى قَوْمِ لُوطٍ.
When he saw their hands not reaching towards the food, he perceived them as strangers and inwardly began fearing them. They said, do not be afraid, we are sent to the people of Lut.
وامرأته قائمة فضحكت فبشرناها بإسحاق ومن وراء إسحاق يعقوب.
And his wife was standing by, and she started laughing. We henceforth gave her glad tidings regarding Ishaq, and after Ishaq, Yaqub.
قالت يا ويلتى أألد وأنا عجوز وهذا بعلي شيخا إن هذا لشيء عجيب.
She said, oh woe, what? Will I bear a child, whereas I am an old woman, and this is my husband, an old man? Indeed, this is something astonishing.
قالوا أتعجبين من أمر الله رحمة الله وبركاته عليكم أهل البيت إنه حميد مجيد.
The angel said, "Are you astonished at the work of Allah? Allah's mercy and His blessings be upon you, O people of this house of Ibrahim. Indeed, only He is all praiseworthy, most honorable."
فلما ذهب عن إبراهيم الروع وجاءته البشرى يجادلنا في قوم لوط.
And when Ibrahim's fear subsided and our glad tidings reached him, he began to dispute with regards to the people of Lut.
إن إبراهيم لحليم أواه منيب.
Indeed, Ibrahim is most forbearing, tender-hearted, and repentant.
يا إبراهيم أعرض عن هذا إنه قد جاء أمر ربك وإنهم آتيهم عذاب غير مردود.
O Ibrahim, refrain from this thought. Indeed, your Lord's command has arrived, and a punishment is indeed destined upon them, that which will not be averted.
ولما جاءت رسلنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقال هذا يوم عصيب.
And when our angels came to Lut, he was grieved for them and was distressed due to them. And he said, "This is a day of great hardship."
وجاءه قومه يهرعون إليه ومن قبل كانوا يعملون السيئات قال يا قوم هؤلاء بناتي هن أطهر لكم فاتقوا الله ولا تخزون في ضيفي أليس منكم رجل رشيد.
And his people came running to him for the boys, and they were in the habits of committing evil deeds from before. He said, "O my people, these are the daughters of my nation. They are purer for you to marry. Therefore, fear Allah and do not disgrace me in the midst of my guests. Is there not even a single righteous man amongst you?"
قالوا لقد علمت ما لنا في بناتك من حق وإنك لتعلم ما نريد.
They said, "You know that we have no right, i.e., inclination to the daughters of your tribe, and you certainly know what our desire is."
قال لو أن لي بكم قوة أو آوي إلى ركن شديد.
He, Lut, said, "If only I had the strength against you, or were able to get the refuge of some strong support."
قالوا يا لوط إنا رسل ربك لن يصلوا إليك فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل ولا يلتفت منكم أحد إلا امرأتك إنه مصيبها ما أصابهم إن موعدهم الصبح أليس الصبح بقريب.
The angel said, "O Lut, we have been sent by your Lord. They cannot reach you. Therefore, take your entire household with you during the night, and none of you should turn around to see except your wife. The same punishment is to reach her that will reach them, the infidels. Indeed, their promise is at the time of morning. Is the morning not near?"
فلما جاء أمرنا جعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليها حجارة من سجيل
our command came, we turned that town upside down and showered upon it continuously stones of baked clay.
مسومة عند ربك وما هي من الظالمين ببعيد.
Which, i.e., the stones are in the custody of your Lord, marked, and those stones are not at all far from the unjust.
وإلى مدين أخاهم شعيبا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره ولا تنقصوا المكيال والميزان إني أراكم بخير وإني أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم محيط.
And to Madian, their compatriot Shu'aib was sent. He said, O my people, worship Allah. There is no one worthy of worship except Him, and do not shortchange in measure and weight. Indeed, I see you prosperous, and I fear the punishment of the encompassing day upon you.
ويا قوم أوفوا المكيال والميزان بالقسط ولا تبخسوا الناس أشياءهم ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
O my people, measure and weigh in full with justice, and do not return the goods of people by shortchanging, and do not roam on the earth causing turmoil.
بقية الله خير لكم إن كنتم مؤمنين وما أنا عليكم بحفيظ.
The remainder from the bestowal of Allah is better for you, if you have certainty, and I am not a guardian over you at all.
قالوا يا شعيب أصلاتك تأمرك أن نترك ما يعبد آباؤنا أو أن نفعل في أموالنا ما نشاء إنك لأنت الحليم الرشيد.
They said, O Shu'aib, does your salah command you that we should forsake the deities of our forefathers, or that we should not do as we desire with our own wealth? They said sarcastically, Oh yes, only you are intelligent, righteous.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي ورزقني منه رزقا حسنا وما أريد أن أخالفكم إلى ما أنهاكم عنه إن أريد إلا الإصلاح ما استطعت وما توفيقي إلا بالله عليه توكلت وإليه أنيب.
He said, O my people, so tell me, if I am upon a clear proof from my Lord, and He has bestowed me with good sustenance from Him, and I do not want to act against what I forbid you from, I only intend to reform you as much as possible. My support is only from Allah. I rely upon Him only, and towards only Him do I turn.
ويا قوم لا يجرمنكم شقاقي أن يصيبكم مثل ما أصاب قوم نوح أو قوم هود أو قوم صالح وما قوم لوط منكم ببعيد.
And O my people, let not your resentment towards me make you do that evil act which may cause punishment to befall you, which befell the people of Nuh, or the people of Hud, or the people of Salih, and the people of Lut are not at all far from you.
واستغفروا ربكم ثم توبوا إليه إن ربي رحيم ودود.
Seek forgiveness from your Lord and then turn toward him in repentance. Indeed, my Lord is most merciful, most affectionate.
قالوا يا شعيب ما نفقه كثيرا مما تقول وإنا لنراك فينا ضعيفا ولولا رهطك لرجمناك وما أنت علينا بعزيز.
They said, O Shu'aib, we do not understand much of what you say, and we indeed perceive you as weak amongst us. And were it not for your tribe, we would have therefore stoned you, and in our sight you have no respect at all.
قال يا قوم أرهطي أعز عليكم من الله واتخذتموه وراءكم ظهريا إن ربي بما تعملون محيط.
He said, O my people, is the force of my tribe upon you greater than Allah? And you have put him, i.e., his commands behind your back. Indeed, whatever you do is within my Lord's control.
ويا قوم اعملوا على مكانتكم إني عامل سوف تعلمون من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ومن هو كاذب وارتقبوا إني معكم رقيب.
And O people, continue doing your work at your places. I am doing mine. You will become aware very soon as to upon whom comes the punishment that will disgrace him, and who is the liar. And wait, I too am waiting with you.
ولما جاء أمرنا نجينا شعيبا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا وأخذت الذين ظلموا الصيحة فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين.
And when our command came to destroy them, we rescued Shu'aib and the Muslims who were with him by showing our mercy, and the terrible scream seized the unjust. They therefore remained lying dead at morning in their homes on their knees.
كأن لم يغنوا فيها ألا بعدا لمدين كما بعدت ثمود.
As if they had never even lived there. Behold, away with Madian, just as the nation of Thamud had been removed afar.
ولقد أرسلنا موسى بآياتنا وسلطان مبين.
And we indeed sent Musa with our verses and clear dominance
إلى فرعون وملئه فاتبعوا أمر فرعون وما أمر فرعون برشيد.
towards Fir'aun and his courtiers. They henceforth followed the commands of Fir'aun, and the work of Fir'aun was not appropriate.
يقدم قومه يوم القيامة فأوردهم النار وبئس الورد المورود.
He, Fir'aun, will lead his people on the day of resurrection. He will therefore land them into hell, and what a wretched place to land into.
وأتبعوا في هذه لعنة ويوم القيامة بئس الرفد المرفود.
And accursed follow them in the world and on the day of resurrection. What a wretched reward which they received.
ذلك من أنباء القرى نقصه عليك منها قائم وحصيد.
These are the narratives of the towns that we relate to you, O beloved. Of them, some are standing and some are cut off, i.e., disappeared.
وما ظلمناهم ولكن ظلموا أنفسهم فما أغنت عنهم آلهتهم التي يدعون من دون الله من شيء. يدعون من دون الله شيء لما جاء أمر ربك وما زادوهم غير تتبيب.
And we did not oppress them, but it is they who wronged themselves. Their deities, whom they worshipped other than Allah, did not therefore benefit them in the least when your Lord's command, i.e., punishment came, and they did not increase anything for them other than destruction.
وكذلك أخذ ربك إذا أخذ القرى وهي ظالمة إن أخذه أليم شديد.
And similar is the seizing of your Lord when He seizes the inhabitants of the towns upon their injustice. Indeed, His seizing is painful, severe.
إن في ذلك لآية لمن خاف عذاب الآخرة ذلك يوم مجموع له الناس وذلك يوم مشهود.
Indeed, in this is a sign for the one who fears the punishment of the hereafter. That is the day in which all people will gather, and that is the day of presence.
وما نؤخره إلا لأجل معدود.
And we do not postpone it except for a calculated period.
يوم يأتي لا تكلم نفس إلا بإذنه فمنهم شقي وسعيد.
When that day will come, no one will speak without the permission of Allah. So amongst them, some will be unfortunate and some fortunate.
فأما الذين شقوا ففي النار لهم فيها زفير وشهيق.
So those who are unfortunate are in hell, and they will bray in it like a donkey.
خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك إن ربك فعال لما يريد.
Therein they will remain as long as the heavens and the earth remain, but as much as your Lord willed. Indeed, your Lord may do whatever, whenever He wills.
وأما الذين سعدوا ففي الجنة خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك عطاء غير مجذوذ.
So those who are fortunate, they are in paradise, abiding therein forever, as long as the heavens and the earth remain, but as much as your Lord willed. This is a favor, never coming to an end.
فلا تك في مرية مما يعبد هؤلاء ما يعبدون إلا كما يعبد آباؤهم من قبل وإنا لموفوهم نصيبهم غير منقوص.
So, O listener, do not fall into deception as to whom these disbelievers worship. They only worship just as their forefathers worshipped before them, and we shall indeed return to them their portion in full, in which there will be no diminishment.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ فَاخْتُلِفَ فِيهِ وَلَوْلَا كَلِمَةٌ سَبَقَتْ مِنْ رَبِّكَ لَقُضِيَ بَيْنَهُمْ وَإِنَّهُمْ لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّنْهُ مُرِيبٍ.
And we indeed gave Musa the book. There was henceforth conflict regarding it. Had the word of your Lord not been decreed previously, the matter would have henceforth been immediately decided regarding them, and they are indeed in a deceptive doubt concerning it.
وَإِنَّ كُلًّا لَمَّا لَيُوَفِّيَنَّهُمْ رَبُّكَ أَعْمَالَهُمْ إِنَّهُ إنه بما يعملون خبير.
And indeed, as many as they are, your Lord will fully repay each and every one for his actions. He is aware of their actions.
فاستقم كما أمرت ومن تاب معك ولا تطغوا إنه بما تعملون بصير.
Therefore, O beloved, remain firm just as you are commanded to, and as well as whosoever has turned towards you must also remain firm. And O people, do not engage in rebellion. Indeed, he is observing your deeds.
ولا تركنوا إلى الذين ظلموا فتمسكم النار وما لكم من دون الله من أولياء ثم لا تنصرون.
And do not lean towards the unjust, lest the fire will touch you, and you do not have any supporter other than Allah. You will then not be helped.
وأقم الصلاة طرفي النهار وزلفا من الليل إن الحسنات يذهبن السيئات ذلك ذكرى للذاكرين.
And keep salah established at the two ends of the day and in some parts of the night. Verily, good deeds erase evil deeds. This is advice to those who accept advice.
واصبر فإن الله لا يضيع أجر المحسنين.
And have patience that Allah does not waste the reward of the righteous.
فلولا كان من القرون من قبلكم أولو بقية ينهون عن الفساد في الأرض إلا قليلا ممن أنجينا منهم واتبع الذين ظلموا ما أترفوا فيه وكانوا مجرمين.
So, why were there not some amongst you from the generations before you, such people who had some share of righteousness, who could have prevented turmoil on the earth? Yes, there were only a few whom we had rescued, and the unjust remained pursuing the luxury which was given to them, and they were sinners.
وما كان ربك ليهلك القرى بظلم وأهلها مصلحون.
And your Lord is not such that he would destroy the people of towns without reason, whilst its people are righteous.
ولو شاء ربك لجعل الناس أمة واحدة ولا يزالون مختلفين.
And had your Lord willed, he would have henceforth made all of mankind one nation, and therefore they will always remain in conflict.
إلا من رحم ربك ولذلك خلقهم وتمت كلمة ربك لأملأن جهنم من الجنة والناس أجمعين.
Except those upon whom your Lord bestowed mercy, and this is why he created them, and the word of your Lord has been fulfilled, that indeed I will definitely fill hell with jinn and humans combined.
وَكُلًّا نَقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ أَنْبَاءِ الرُّسُلِ مَا نُثَبِّتُ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ وَجَاءَكَ فِي هَذِهِ الْحَقُّ وَمَوْعِظَةٌ وَذِكْرَى لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
And we relate to you, O beloved, all the news of the messengers in order to strengthen your heart with it. And in this chapter, the truth has come to you, and for the Muslims, preaching and advice.
وَقُلْ لِلَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ اعْمَلُوا عَلَى مَكَانَتِكُمْ إِنَّا عَامِلُونَ.
And O beloved, say to the disbelievers, continue doing your evil work in your place. We do our work.
وانتظروا إنا منتظرون.
And wait, we too are waiting.
ولله غيب السماوات والأرض وإليه يرجع الأمر كله فاعبده وتوكل عليه وما ربك بغافل عما تعملون.
And only for Allah are the unseen of the heavens and the earth, and only towards Him is the return of all matters. Therefore, worship Him and have trust in Him, and your Lord is not unaware of your actions. Surah Yusuf. This surah is Makkiyah, containing 111 verses and 12 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين.
These are the verses of the luminous book.
إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
Indeed, we have sent it down as an Arabic Quran that you may understand.
نحن نقص عليك أحسن القصص بما أوحينا إليك هذا القرآن وإن كنت من قبله لمن الغافلين.
We relate to you the best narrative because we have sent the revelation of this Quran to you. Although you were indeed unaware before, are informing you about this.
إذ قال يوسف لأبيه يا أبت إني رأيت 11 كوكبا والشمس والقمر رأيتهم لي ساجدين.
Remember when Yusuf said to his father, "O my father, I saw 11 stars, and the sun and the moon, I saw them prostrating to myself."
قال يا بني لا تقصص رؤياك على إخوتك فيكيدوا لك كيدا إن الشيطان للإنسان عدو مبين.
He said, "O my son, do not reveal your dream to your brothers, that they will devise a plot against you. Indeed, Satan is an open enemy of mankind."
وكذلك يجتبيك ربك ويعلمك من تأويل الأحاديث ويتم نعمته عليك وعلى آل يعقوب كما أتمها على أبويك من قبل إبراهيم وإسحاق إن ربك عليم حكيم.
And this is how your Lord will choose you and teach you how to interpret dreams, and will complete His favors upon you and upon the family of Yaqub, the way He completed it upon both your forefathers, Ibrahim and Ishaq. Indeed, your Lord is all-knowing, ever-wise.
لقد كان في يوسف وإخوته آيات للسائلين.
Indeed, in the story of Yusuf and his brothers are signs for those who inquire.
إذ قالوا ليوسف وأخوه أحب إلى أبينا منا ونحن عصبة إن أبانا لفي ضلال مبين.
When they said, "Indeed, Yusuf and his real brother are dearer to our father than us, and we are one group, undoubtedly our father is clearly, deeply engrossed in his love."
اقتلوا يوسف أو اطرحوه أرضا يخل لكم وجه أبيكم وتكونوا من بعده قوما صالحين.
The brothers decided after consultation, kill Yusuf or throw him somewhere in the land so that your father's face, i.e., attention may be directed towards only you, and then thereafter you become righteous by repenting.
قال قائل منهم لا تقتلوا يوسف وألقوه في غيابة الجب يلتقطه بعض السيارة إن كنتم فاعلين.
One from amongst them said, do not kill Yusuf, cast him into a dark well so that some traveler may come and take him away if you are to do so.
قالوا يا أبانا ما لك لا تأمنا على يوسف وإنا له لناصحون.
They said, O our father, what happened to you that you do not trust us with Yusuf, and we are his well-wishers?
أرسله معنا غدا يرتع ويلعب وإنا له لحافظون.
Send him with us tomorrow so that he may eat fruits and play, and we are indeed his protectors.
قال إني ليحزنني أن تذهبوا به وأخاف أن يأكله الذئب وأنتم عنه غافلون.
He said, undoubtedly, I will be grieved that you take him away from me, and I fear that a wolf may eat him, and you may be unaware of him.
قالوا لئن أكله الذئب ونحن عصبة إنا إذا لخاسرون.
They said, if the wolf eats him while we are a strong group, we are therefore of no use.
فلما ذهبوا به وأجمعوا أن يجعلوه في غيابة الجب وأوحينا إليه لتنبئنهم بأمرهم هذا وهم لا يشعرون.
Then when they took him away, and all of them agreed that they should cast him in the dark well, and we sent the revelation to him, Yusuf, you will definitely tell them of their doing at a time that they will know not.
وجاءوا أباهم عشاء يبكون.
And at nightfall they came to their father weeping.
قالوا يا أبانا إنا ذهبنا نستبق وتركنا يوسف عند متاعنا فأكله الذئب وما أنت بمؤمن لنا ولو كنا صادقين.
They said, O our father, we went far ahead racing, leaving Yusuf near our goods. A wolf henceforth ate him, and you will not believe us in the least, although we are truthful.
وجاءوا على قميصه بدم كذب قال بل سولت لكم أنفسكم أمرا فصبر جميل والله المستعان على ما تصفون.
And they brought his shirt stained with fake blood. He said, rather, your hearts have fabricated an excuse for you. So, for me, patience is good. And only from Allah I seek help against the matters that you relate.
وجاءت سيارة فأرسلوا واردهم فأدلى دلوه قال يا بشرى هذا غلام وأسروه بضاعة والله عليم بما يعملون.
And there came a caravan. They therefore sent their water drawer. He therefore lowered his bucket. He said, "Ah, what a pleasant surprise. This is actually a boy." And they hid him as treasured merchandise. And Allah knows what they do.
وشروه بثمن بخس دراهم معدودة وكانوا فيه من الزاهدين.
And the brothers sold him for a low value of limited dirhams, silver coins, and they had no interest in him.
وقال الذي اشتراه من مصر لامرأته أكرمي مثواه عسى أن ينفعنا أو نتخذه ولدا وكذلك مكنا ليوسف في الأرض ولنعلمه من تأويل الأحاديث والله غالب على أمره ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And the Egyptian who purchased him said to his wife, "Keep him with honor. He may be beneficial to us. We may adopt him as our son." And this is how we established Yusuf in the land of Egypt, and in order that we may teach him how to interpret dreams. And Allah is dominant upon his works, but most people know not.
ولما بلغ أشده آتيناه حكما وعلما وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
And when he matured to his full strength, we bestowed upon him the skill of decision-making, and particularly the knowledge of interpreting dreams. And this is how we reward the virtuous.
وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك قال معاذ الله إنه ربي أحسن مثواي إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
And that woman whose house he was in tried to seduce him against his will, that he may not stop himself. She closed all the doors and said, "Come, I am addressing you." He said, "I seek refuge in Allah. The governor is my master," meaning nourisher. He kept me well. Undoubtedly, the unjust will never prosper.
وَلَقَدْ هَمَّتْ بِهِ وَهَمَّ بِهَا لَوْلَا أَن رَّأَىٰ بُرْهَانَ رَبِّهِ كَذَلِكَ لِنَصْرِفَ عَنْهُ السُّوءَ وَالْفَحْشَاءَ إِنَّهُ مِنْ عِبَادِنَا الْمُخْلَصِينَ.
And the women indeed intended for him, and he too would have intended for the women if he would not have seen the proof from his Lord. We did that, i.e., showed him the proof to move evil and indecency away from him. Indeed, he is one of our chosen bondsmen.
واستبق الباب وقدت قميصه من دبر وألف يا سيدها لدى الباب قالت ما جزاء من أراد بأهلك سوءا إلا أن يسجن أو عذاب أليم.
And they both ran towards the door, and the woman tore his shirt from behind, and they both found her husband at the door. She said, "What is the punishment of the one who sought evil with your wife? But this, that he should be imprisoned or subjected to painful torture."
قال هي راودتني عن نفسي وشهد شاهد من أهلها إن كان قميصه قد من قبل فصدقت وهو من الكاذبين.
Said Yusuf, it was she who tried to lure me, that I should not protect myself, and a witness, i.e., the child from her own household testified. If his shirt is torn from the front, the woman is therefore truthful, and he has said wrong.
وَإِن كَانَ قَمِيصُهُ قُدَّ مِن دُبُرٍ فَكَذَبَتْ وَهُوَ مِنَ الصَّادِقِينَ.
And if his shirt is torn from behind, the woman is therefore a liar, and he is truthful.
فَلَمَّا رَأَى قَمِيصَهُ قُدَّ مِن دُبُرٍ قَالَ إِنَّهُ مِن كَيْدِكُنَّ إِنَّ كَيْدَكُنَّ عَظِيمٌ.
When the governor saw his shirt torn from behind, he said, indeed, this is a deception of you women. Undoubtedly, your deception is great.
يوسف أعرض عن هذا واستغفري لذنبك إنك كنت من الخاطئين.
O Yusuf, do not think of it, and O women, seek forgiveness for your sin. Indeed, you are of the culprits.
وقال نسوة في المدينة امرأة العزيز تراود فتاها عن نفسه قد شغفها حبا إنا لنراها في ضلال مبين.
And some women of the city said, the governor's wife is seducing her young slave. Indeed, his love has taken root in her heart, and we find her clearly lost in his love.
فلما سمعت بمكرهن أرسلت إليهن وأعتدت لهن متكئا وآتت كل واحدة منهن سكينا وقالت اخرج عليهن فلما رأينه أكبرنه وقطعن أيديهن وقلن حاش لله ما هذا بشرا إن هذا إلا ملك كريم.
And when Zulaykha heard of their rumors, she sent an invitation to those women and prepared cushioned seating for them and gave each of them a knife and said to Yusuf, come forth to them. When the women saw Yusuf, they began praising him and cut their hands and said, glory be to Allah, this is not a human being, this is not but some honorable angel.
قالت فذلكن الذي لمتنني فيه ولقد راودته عن نفسه فاستعصم ولئن لم يفعل ما آمره ليسجنن وليكونن من الصاغرين.
Zulaykha said, so this is the one regarding whom you used to taunt me, and I indeed tried to entice him. He henceforth safeguarded himself. And if he will indeed not do what I tell him to do, he will definitely be imprisoned, and he will definitely be humiliated.
قال رب السجن أحب إلي مما يدعونني إليه وإلا تصرف عني كيدهن أصب إليهن وأكن من الجاهلين.
Yusuf said humbly, O my Lord, prison is dearer to me than the evil deed they invite me towards. And if you do not cast aside their deception, i.e., enticement from me, and I could incline towards them and become unwise.
فاستجاب له ربه فصرف عنه كيدهن إنه هو السميع العليم.
So his Lord answered his supplication and cast aside the deceit of the women away from him. Indeed, only he is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
ثم بدا لهم ليسجننه حتى حين.
Then even after seeing all the signs, they finally reached this conclusion that they should get him imprisoned for some time.
ودخل معه السجن فتيان قال أحدهما إني أراني أعصر خمرا وقال الآخر إني أراني أحمل فوق رأسي خبزا تأكل الطير منه نبئنا بتأويله إنا نراك من المحسنين.
And 2 young men went to prison along with him. One of them said, I dreamt that I am extracting wine. The other said, I dreamt that I am carrying some breads upon my head from which birds are eating. Tell us their interpretation. Indeed, we see that you are virtuous.
قال لا يأتيكما طعام ترزقانه إلا نبأتكما بتأويله قبل أن يأتيكما ذلكما مما علمني ربي إني تركت ملة قوم لا يؤمنون بالله وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
Said Yusuf, the food which you receive will not reach you, but I will tell you the interpretation of this before it comes to you. This is one of the sciences my Lord has taught me. Indeed, I did not accept the religion of the people who do not believe in Allah and are deniers of the hereafter.
واتبعت ملة آبائي إبراهيم وإسحاق ويعقوب ما كان لنا أن نشرك بالله من شيء ذلك من فضل الله علينا وعلى الناس ولكن أكثر الناس لا يشكرون.
And I have chosen the religion of my forefathers Ibrahim and Ishaq and Yaqub. It is not befitting for us to ascribe anything as a partner to Allah. This is a bounty of Allah upon us and upon the people, but most people are not grateful.
يا صاحبي السجن أأرباب متفرقون خير أم الله الواحد القهار.
O both my fellow prisoners, are many separate lords better, or one Allah who is dominant over all?
ما تعبدون من دونه إلا أسماء سميتموها أنتم وآباؤكم ما أنزل الله بها من سلطان إن الحكم إلا لله أمر ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
You do not worship other than Him, but merely assumed names devised by you and your forefathers. Allah has not sent down any proof regarding them. There is no command but that of Allah. He has commanded that you do not worship anyone except Him. This is the straight religion, but most people know not.
يا صاحبي السجن أما أحدكما فيسقي ربه خمرا وأما الآخر فيصلب فتأكل الطير من رأسه قضي الأمر الذي فيه تستفتيان
O my two fellow prisoners, one of you will give his lord the king wine to drink. As for the other, he will be crucified. Birds will therefore eat from his head. The command has been issued concerning the matter you had inquired about.
وقال للذي ظن أنه ناج منهما اذكرني عند ربك فأنساه الشيطان ذكر ربه فلبث في السجن بضع سنين.
And of the two, Yusuf said to the one whom he thought would be saved, remember me in the company of your Lord the king. The devil therefore caused him to forget to mention Yusuf to his Lord. So Yusuf stayed in prison for several more years.
وقال الملك إني أرى 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن 7 عجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات يا أيها الملأ أفتوني في رؤياي إن كنتم للرؤيا تعبرون.
And the king said, I saw in a dream 7 healthy cows, that 7 skinny cows are eating them, and 7 green ears of corn and 7 others dry. O courtiers, interpret my dreams if you can interpret dreams.
قالوا أضغاث أحلام وما نحن بتأويل الأحلام بعالمين.
They answered, these are confusing dreams, and we do not know the interpretation of dreams.
وقال الذي نجا منهما وادكر بعد أمة أنا أنبئكم بتأويله فأرسلون.
And of the 2 prisoners, the one who was saved said, and after a long time he remembered, I will tell you its interpretation, therefore send me forth to Yusuf.
يوسف أيها الصديق أفتنا في 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن 7 عجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات لعلي أرجع إلى الناس لعلهم يعلمون.
O Yusuf, O truthful one, interpret to us a dream about 7 healthy cows, whom 7 skinny cows are eating, and 7 green ears of corn, and 7 other dry ones, so that I may return to the people. Perhaps they may come to know its interpretation.
قال تزرعون 7 سنين دأبا فما حصدتم فذروه في سنبله إلا قليلا مما تأكلون.
He said, you will cultivate for 7 years continuously, so leave all that you harvest in the ear, except however much you may eat.
ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك 7 شداد يأكل ما قدمتم لهن إلا قليلا مما تحصنون.
After that will then come 7 difficult years of drought that will consume all that you had kept stored for them already, except a little which you may save for replanting.
ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك عام فيه يغاث الناس وفيه يعصرون.
After that will then come a year in which the people will be given rain and in which they will extract juice.
وقال الملك ائتوني به فلما جاءه الرسول قال ارجع إلى ربك فاسأله ما بال النسوة اللاتي قطعن أيديهن إن ربي بكيدهن عليم.
And the king said, "Bring him to me." When the envoy therefore came to him, Yusuf said, "Return to your lord, i.e., king, and ask him what is the state of the women who had cut their hands. Indeed, my lord, Allah knows their deception."
قال ما خطبكن إذ راودتن يوسف عن نفسه قلنا حاش لله ما علمنا عليه من سوء قالت امرأة العزيز الآن حصحص الحق أنا راودته عن نفسه وإنه لمن الصادقين.
The king said, "O women, what was your role when you tried to entice Yusuf?" They answered, "Glory be to Allah, we did not find any immorality in him." The wife of the governor said, "The truth has now become manifest. I tried to entice him, and he is indeed truthful."
ذلك ليعلم أني لم أخنه بالغيب وأن الله لا يهدي كيد الخائنين.
Said Yusuf, "I did this so that the governor may realize that I did not betray him behind his back, and Allah does not let the deceit of betrayers be successful."